When you need perfectly clean splices and connectors, look to the Sticklers brand fiber optic cleaning products. A growing family of specialty cleaners engineered to clean virtually any fiber optic connector in any configuration in any location. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Sticklers fiber optic cleaning kit and how that kit will give you perfectly clean fiber optics every time. This unique tool bag is built for versatility, with pockets on front and back sides of each bag. It has a window for personalizing each bag with a business card. The zippered top opens wide for easy access. It's perfect for use on outside service calls for cable and telecom technicians, as well as servicing medical equipment. Even in low-volume laboratory settings with a wide scope of cleaning needs that might include splicing and polishing, this kit is a low-cost way of ensuring you always have the right cleaner on hand. Each kit includes the following items for over 800 cleans: 2 cans of the fiber optic splice and connector cleaner, 1 Clean Wipes 400, 1 Clean Wipes 90, which can be bundled with the second can of the fiber optic splice and connector cleaner as shown here, 25 of the single pack Clean Wipes, a factory package box of 50 clean sticks containing 2 of the most commonly used sizes. It includes 3 bags containing a total of 30 blue clean sticks for ST, SC, and FC termini. There are also 2 bags containing a total of 20 green clean sticks for LC and MU termini. There's 1 LED inspection flashlight and plenty of room for additional tools or extra cleaning supplies. Even if you only occasionally clean or you have lots of different configurations that require cleaning, this kit offers the industry's best value in fiber optic cleaning. Black military-ready bags with special utility belt clips are also available. And remember, all Stickler cleaning kits can be stored and transported anywhere in the world without hazmat labels. Contact your local Sticklers dealer for more information on the cleaning kit, for samples, or for engineering help with your specific cleaning needs.